The trick is, this is one source lighting, but there's a lot of halftones involved. The trick with this is to squint your eyes down until you see this, or this, until you get something that's easier to control. So squint and edit everything down to an easier problem to solve. So if I look at his eye, for instance, and think in these terms, break my pencil. Get that two-dimensional shape of the upper lid. What's the shape of the dark? What's the shape of the lower lid? Squint. And what's the shape of the dark here? What's the shape, the light of the cheek? What's the shape of the light in here between the eyes? Squint. I would keep this in my light family just because it's easier to control. The shape of the dark. Shape of the light shape between here and the lip. What's the shape on the lower lip? And the light shape between here and the cheek. And none of this is rocket science. It's just a matter of recognizing what your tools are. So if you can at least get the two-dimensional shape down on the paper, then you can start pushing and pulling and saying, I need to make this rounder, I need to make this squarer, whatever. Idealizing, drawing beautiful eyes or whatever, that comes after you have some control over the shape. So you should be able to think about this, drawing it upside down, whatever. It's just a matter of looking for the light shapes and the dark shapes, and before that, even making a decision about what is a dark shape and what is a light shape. So squinting at it until you see something clear. If you can get that nice and clear, then we can spend our money on the planes and the angles and the architecture, pushing the 3D of it. But first, we've got to get a handle on the 2D.